Okay, so we've got a 2001 BMW Z3 with an inline 6-cylinder, and today we're going to do a little sound test with the stock exhaust, and then we're going to be putting on this magnaflow catback exhaust kit, which magnaflow has been making for about a year now. So we're going to do a quick sound test and see what we think. So there's the exhaust. The car's been sitting for probably around the last 4 months because it's winter here in Ontario. But we'll see what it sounds like with the new exhaust on. Okay, so we just got the exhaust installed. It didn't take much more than about an hour and a half, just kind of going at it easy. So let's hear what it sounds like. Sounds a little deeper. A little smoky out here. It's like about -5 or 6 out here, so cool. It sounds pretty good. So yeah, I have to see what it sounds like in the summer under load and get her on the road.